This is the start of the activity. Alright, today we'll be looking at the function machine online. Last lesson we had our own function machine and found the rule using real fruit. So I will show you how to do it before we get into pairs and for you to explore your own function. This is an online program which has its own function machine and you can design and it decides your own rule for you. And you need to find it by putting in an input. Alright, so my input, I'm going to decide to put in 5. We put 5 in the input section and we got 3. Let me put in 10. Let's see what that could be. Got 8. So now I think this is to take away 2, because if we had 5 and 3, you have to take away 2. Another way to see if I'm correct is 3 plus 2 equals 5, or 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that's how you know it could be the correct function. And there you go, we are correct. Any questions about using it? Awesome. Then we're going to create a word problem related to what we know. So I'm going to do a word problem. So I had 5 apples and now I only have 3. How many did I eat? I ate 2 apples. Awesome, so we had 5 apples, which is the 5 input, and then I only have 3 left, which is my 3 output, and that's because I took away 2, which is the function. Will be done on the whiteboard as a teacher so all the kids can see it. And this website would be done on an interactive whiteboard. Now let's do one together. What do you want to put in?
6.
We'll put 6 in. Let's do that. So in goes 6 and out comes 15. Let's decide to go another one. What do you guys want to do?
12.
12. Put in 12. Out comes 21. What do you think it is?
9.
9? Are we adding?
Plus 9.
Plus 9. Let's have a look. Oh, good job. So our function is plus 9. That's because we had 6 plus 9 equals 15. Or 12 plus 9, which equals to 21. Another way to check it is we can do 15 take away 9 equals 6, or 21 take away 9 equals 12. Now let's do a word problem together. So what should we have?
Horses.
Awesome. So if I say I have 6 horses, I now have brought some horses, so I have 15 in total. How many did I buy? I brought 9 horses. So we have 6 horses, then we brought 9, which is the 6 plus 9, which gave us a total of 15. Now we're going to move into pairs. So the students will move into pairs on one computer with the teacher walking around asking guided questions. So I'm working with a pair now. Decide what your input is. What are you going to put in? 4? 28. Oh. Alright, so what do you think if you put in, decide another input? Which one do we put in? 1. Why would you do 1?
Because it would be the easier to calculate.
It'll be easy to calculate. Alright. Now, so you have 4 and the output 20 at 1. What's the output of this? What is that number?
1 times 7 would it be?
Oh, so you think the function is 1 times 7. Put that one in. Let's see if it's right. Awesome, you're correct. So if we go 28 divided by
7.
gets us to 4. So we go 7 divided by
7.
we get to 1. Now let's do a word problem about that. Can you write a word problem for me? Awesome, that's one of the pairs word problem that some of the students can do. Other questions I could focus on was, why did you decide this input? What is the input? How many times should we run this pattern, or how many times do you need to run this pattern? What do you think the rule is? What do you think the pattern is? And then get them to do the inverse. Get them to do it in reverse. So say 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So they know how to check their answers to see if they were correct. Then ask them, why do they decided to use that word problem? Why do they pick those items for? What's the type of terms they should use? Is this correct? Why? And questions just like that will help the kids get through this activity. For extending prompts, you can extend the students by going higher in the activity levels, by maximizing the numbers, or actually choosing an advanced setting in the main screen here. So advanced, which does more of a linear equation. You can even go onto this website, which gets students to actually build onto their numbers. So if you click on numbers, they can add in extra ones and to find out what the function could be. Like that. You can also do a mystery one. You can do here, put in 2, and then figure out what that is. And you gotta find it out. For enabling students, they paired up with a more knowledgeable other, so they should be able to help them through this activity. Get them to work out their thinking on a number line or in their books to see what they are thinking and how you can help them out. You can decrease the number maximum as well, so they're not working with bigger numbers, and get students to do like the additional or subtraction problems first before doing the multiplication and the division.